Hi, hello, welcome, namaste. This is Amarnath Guruji. My full name is Agori Tantrik Amarnath Kal Rudranath Kal Bhairav Brahmastra Guruji. A one education of Tantra, particularly different Tantras are there, and education is so vast and big to learn and to go ahead. And a big world of Tantra. So welcome to this Tantra world, and if you are really interested in learning, you are most welcome, and I do give the credit to my Guru. You will get all the answers in my channel for any kind of problems facing in your daily life or in your long time or in a short time. Every questions will be answered in my channel. So go through my channel, then you will get every single solution for every single problem. You are most welcome to get any kind of solutions through me or through the spells, mantras which I have given on my channel. You are blessed to come into this place, into my channel, because whatever spells I have given all are been energized and been active in the mode so that you can use them and solve your problems by yourself. If you don't have the patience and if you are willing to spend money and get the result, then definitely I am ready to give you the service worldwide, but you have to pay for that, because nothing is free in this world. I have not got anything free, so you are not going to get anything free. That is the main thing that I wanted to tell you. So, and get whatever you are looking for in my channel, you are going to get. Everything is available. This is my promise. Thank you very much. Namaste.